over 20 years, I have had a lung disease, COPD, and asthma. I have coughed for many years, chronic coughing. I think I've tried everything out there. I think I've tried every shot, every injection, and nothing has worked. I have tried honey. I've tried the tea. I've tried lemons. I've tried garlic. I've tried everything possible. I really have, for over 20 years. It was not until last year my doctor introduced me to Advair. Advair worked for a while. Not long. No good. Last week, he put me on Trelegy. Trelegy. This has been a lifesaver for me. I can now lay down at night